Daniel Camarena special. And it's FedEx. FedEx has earnings on Thursday after hours. Their estimated earnings per share are $4.94. Fat Man Zoom, I have them coming in at $5.26, which would be a monster quarter. But if it's one thing that we're learning, it's that the supply-demand issues are continuing to be an issue. And FedEx and pretty much UPS are more or less a duopoly. Wouldn't you agree? I mean, there's other ones, sure, but those two are pretty much running the show. So they've continued to raise prices for shipping and all that good stuff. And it hasn't slowed down. Like shipping for e-commerce especially, and we've talked about how once consumers form habits on e-commerce, it wasn't going away, and that's what we're seeing right now. So I think FedEx actually comes in and does a really good, has a really good earnings, and I think that their outlook supports that as well. You look at the chart here. I'll bring you guys back. And I actually have a pretty decent trend. It just broke this trend. I imagine these earnings are going to bring it right back into that ascending channel, Fat Man Zoom.
Yeah, I think so. I mean, you know, we're going to talk about e-commerce sales in my next stock, in the next stock, and I think this is the new way of doing business, and e-commerce only adds fuel to fire on this thing. So definitely a good call on that one.
Yeah.